Now the next question, what is a nerve impulse? State the direction followed by a nerve impulse while traveling in the body of an organism. It's a very interesting question. You need to understand that how we used to collect the informations from our surrounding. There is a mechanism that receptors are present on the surface of our body on the outer side as well as on the inner side of our body. These receptors used to generate an electric impulse which is named as nerve impulse. Okay? So suppose if someone is pitching on my finger, so the receptor present in this region will generate an electric charge or impulse, and that is named as nerve impulse only. In the form of it will travel along the body and it will reaches to my central nervous system inside the spinal cord and then into the brain of our body. So in this question they had asked what is a nerve impulse, and we need to follow the direction. We need to mention the direction followed by the nerve impulse while traveling in the body of an organism. So nerve impulse को कैसे define करोगे? We need to answer that nervous tissue is made up of the neuron. These are the specialized cell for conducting informations via electrical impulse, and these impulse itself are named as nerve impulse. Now what is the direction? Information is acquired at the dendritic end of the nerve cell. These nerve cells generate the electric impulse. This process is named as excitation. Now यहाँ पर इसको let me clear it with the help of diagram. यहाँ जो न्यूरॉन्स था हमारे फिंगर पर, उसकी डेंड्राइट ने रिसीव करा एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस को, सेल बॉडी इसने इलेक्ट्रिक इंपल्स जनरेट करा, that electric impulse will reach to the cell body, then it will travel along to the axon and then near to the another nerve cell, these impulse, यहाँ पर एक small gap present रहेगा जिसको हम कहेंगे nerve synapse. The gap present in between two adjacent neuron is named as nerve synapse, and this is our second neuron. यहाँ पर this electric impulse used to get converted into a chemical message, and then again it generate a electric impulse on another nerve cell. So two nerve cells never used to remain in direct contact with each other. There is a small gap and one nerve cell transfer its impulse to another nerve cell with the help of chemical substances, so called chemical synapses. So now यहाँ पाथ को हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट नर्व सेल के डेंड्राइट ने इंफॉर्मेशन को एक्वायर्ड करा, इलेक्ट्रिक इंपल्स जनरेट करा, इंपल्स को ट्रांसफर कर दिया सेल बॉडी पर, यहां से वो एक्सॉन एंड पर पहुंचा, केमिकल सब्सटेंस को रिलीज करा एट द सिनेप्सिस एंड जनरेट एन इलेक्ट्रिक इंपल्स इन द डेंड्राइट ऑफ नेक्स्ट न्यूरॉन. अब नेक्स्ट न्यूरॉन वापस इस डेंड्राइट को इलेक्ट्रिक इंपल्स को लेकर के गया सेल बॉडी, axon. That is how one nerve cell transfer its message to another, and that is how impulse used to transfer and carry the messages from one part of our body to another part. Name one gustatory receptors and one olfactory receptor in human. And second, write A and B in the given flow chart of neuron through which information travels as an electric impulse. ये second part similar है हमने जो अभी question discuss करा. देखो gustatory receptors are the receptors present on the surface of tongue which used to gives us the information of taste. So gustatory receptors का हमारा example हो गया taste buds, whereas olfactory receptors are present in the form of membrane inside our nasal cavity, and they used to gives us the sensation of the fragrance present inside the air. अब यहाँ पूछा है how, and we need to mention A and B in the given flow chart. So how message used to travel as an electric impulse. यहाँ पर हम देखें मैसेज स्टार्ट हो रहा है डेंड्राइटिक एंड से, देन जा रहा है सेल बॉडी पर, देन जा रहा है एक्सॉन पर, एंड देन इट यूज टू रिलीज द केमिकल सब्सटेंसेज एट द सिनेप्सिस एंड रीचेज टू द नेक्स्ट न्यूरॉन। तो अब हम वापस यहाँ पर देखें तो डेंड्राइट से कहाँ जाना था, सेल बॉडी से कहाँ जाना था, एक्सॉन, एंड देन इट यूज टू रीचेज टू द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ न्यूरॉन। सो A is cell body in this condition, whereas B is the axon. Write the main function of the following: sensory neuron, cranium, vertebral column and motor neuron. Cranium and vertebral column already discussed कर लिए. Cranium is the bony cavity inside which brain is located, so it used to protect the brain. Whereas inside the vertebral column, यहाँ पर जो हमारे वर्टिब्रेट से जो कॉलम बन रहा है पीछे, बैकबोन जो बन रही है, उसमें क्या बन रहा है, उसमें क्या प्रोटेक्टेड है, ए ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर नेम्ड एज स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। अब हमारे से पूछा है दो और स्ट्रक्चर्स के फंक्शन, वन इज सेंसरी न्यूरॉन and another one is motor neuron. Now whatever sensation we used to receive from the surrounding environment, we need to transmit it towards the central nervous system, brain और spinal cord की तरफ हमें भेजनी होती है. So the message acquired from the surrounding environment and transmitted towards the central nervous system, brain और spinal cord की तरफ कौन भेजेगा, sensory neuron. So sensory neuron, they carry the messages from the body organ towards the central nervous system. Cranium, bony cavity है, inside which brain is protected. Vertebral column, inside it spinal cord is protected. Now brain and spinal cord जो information acquired करती है उसके according एक response generate करेगी. The process of generating response is named as control and coordination itself. तो अब मैसेज वापस ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से भी कहाँ जाना चाहिए था, बॉडी ऑर्गन तक. That is carried out by the motor neurons. So they carry messages from central nervous system towards the body organ.